not working.
Do you need some help?
Yeah, I do some help.
Now can you pull it? Pull it hard. Good job. Did Grandma glue it in there?
Yep.
Yep. Give it some help.
Yep.
You can rip it. It's okay. Whatever it takes, dude. What is that? What's that?
That's the money for Grandma.
It's money from Grandma?
Yeah.
Well, that was nice.
This one and my painting made.
Okay, do you want to listen to your song again?
Yep.
Is it dancing music?
I don't know what I'm going to do.
Do you want me to read it to you?
Yep.
Okay, I'll turn it off and I'll read it to you. Say thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.